Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September 1st, 2020. We are your location for accurate price forecasts and predictions in the cryptocurrency space. Today's video is going to be on Bitcoin Cash. We're here to show you the anticipated forecast movement from the trap for the cryptocurrency space. And we're showing it to you the simplistic way, as well as in our jargon and our narrative. We're here to give you ideas as to how to read the market. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, join us on all of our social media platforms. The links are all in the description of the video, because today, this video here, we are going to update you on Bitcoin Cash. Now, the last time we did our video in Bitcoin Cash, you guys can see, was back here on August the 15th, 2020. Our expectation was for the market in Bitcoin Cash to go higher. And it took us about 2 days, 3 days for the market to hit that $320 price. That area, that price level was our TP. Go back and watch that video. It is in our Bitcoin Cash playlist. So 5.17%. Cool, right? It's done. It's over. We need to update you, revise this price chart to see whether or not we're still getting strength into the market for Bitcoin Cash. Let's get rid of that. So, looking at the market in Bitcoin Cash on the daily, is this market still following this ascending line? That's a very simple question. And the answer is no. The market broke this ascending line on the 21st of August. And that should have given you a heads up that, hey, something has changed. And it did. The market broke its movement higher and decided to go lower. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the monthly time frame, since we are starting off the new month. And you can see here, very, very positive month for July. Not so much for August. And considering we haven't seen this much volume for Bitcoin Cash since the month of April. But look, from April to today, the market in Bitcoin Cash was really consolidating. We don't see a lot of action going on. Okay, we are just literally hovering around $200 for support. This is a long term, to around 300 for restriction. Now, here we are looking at Bitcoin Cash on a weekly. The market has endured weakness, just like many cryptocurrencies in the space today. It's nothing new. It has entered the market. Weakness started for many cryptocurrencies on the week of July the 27th. That's where weakness entered this space. And it's been fighting. The market trap has been fighting to uphold price for many currencies, and Bitcoin Cash is not exempt from that. The trap has been maintaining the value of Bitcoin Cash. Now, you can only go so far before he'll lose, before he'll give up and just let price go lower. But right now, he's doing a pretty good job holding price around $260. So keep that in mind. $260 cannot be broken to the downside. I'm telling you now, nobody else is going to give it to you that way. 260 is crucial for the trap to hold price, especially in the long term. Now, we need to update and look at the line in the market for Bitcoin Cash. So rather than seeing the market hold an ascending line and trade alongside it, we're going to move it. That's all. We're just going to move it. And like I told you, we are focusing our attention on what he does around $260. And the market, in fact, came and touched that area on the 27th of August. And we're still seeing continuation of strength here in the market for Bitcoin Cash. Now, I'll be the first one to tell you that even though we are seeing the trap being successful at holding price and showing strength, that we're not seeing a monumental amount of bullishness in this currency. Just simply trading within a range, but in that trading, the probability of it going higher is higher than the market going lower. Okay. So we're going to look at this market in Bitcoin Cash at 260 right now. Okay. There is restriction in this place around 300. Okay. You can see right there on the 4-hour chart how the market in Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. So that's another reason why we're going to play some of this strength into the market for this currency. Like I said, I'm not seeing a lot of strength. I'm not seeing a lot of bullishness, but yet and still, we can still follow this market trend from the trap. He's letting us know how he's feeling. Right. So also on the daily, you know, you can see 274 support. That will be better to continue to see the market trade above 270, but we're allowing him a little bit of room to allow the market to fall to that 260 area. So long as we trade above 260, Bitcoin Cash is going to consolidate and continue its slow trek higher in price. Okay. And we'll do a slight TP. Let me see. In the market for Bitcoin Cash around 300. It might fall a little bit shorter than that because we got a lot of congestion here in the background of this chart. So I would say maybe around 295 will be TP. So that'll be around like 5.5% profitability into the market for Bitcoin Cash, but I'm going to extend it up to around 300 just to allow a little bit of room for the trap to play to. Okay, so this is our play area. I'm not at all that bullish into the market of Bitcoin Cash, but let's just simply say that we're seeing some opportunity for the trap to increase the value just a tad. Okay, so now is your opportunity to give us your premise, your prediction for Bitcoin Cash over the next week or so. You know, give us your TP price, give us your price direction. Are we going to go higher, lower, sideways? Those are only 3 ways a market can go. So tell us yours. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you all on our next video.